Morning, welcome back to Bangkok. So today I thought I'd update you with what we're doing with the channel. I know we've only got 700 odd subscribers, but there are a few of you out there that actually watch, so I thought we'd better update you. We're actually planning to leave Bangkok permanently, not just a month or 3 months, but permanently. It's not a decision we've taken lightly. There's a few factors, and probably the number one is family. We've been living overseas, for 10 years now, so we haven't been home with family for 10 years. We lived in the Gold Coast for 9 years before we come here for a year, so family's one. We own a house in Christchurch, New Zealand, so that's another one. So yeah, we plan to head back to Christchurch and live there, even though it's going into winter and it's really, really cold. Yeah, the place has been rented out for 10 years, and it definitely needs some overdue maintenance, so we'll get back in there and do some of that. And probably the third reason, there's probably others as well, but the third reason is what's happening around the world at the moment with the way jet fuel prices have gone. They've gone up 50% since things have kicked off over in the Middle East there, so travel's become more expensive, and with that all the other associated costs, so it's not as attractive as what it was. And we also fear of getting trapped somewhere, or the reliability of flights has gone down, flights get cancelled. So we thought, well, it's a good time to go home and tidy up things and reset. So it's going to be a big adjustment, that's for sure. So yeah, all you subscribers that have hung around to watch us, thanks, we really appreciate it. We know we'll probably lose a few, but if you're interested in seeing what life's like in New Zealand, we can guarantee we're going to show you some spectacular countryside, because New Zealand is beautiful. We'll try and get out and about as much as we can, but the channel will be about us. We're flying to Christchurch. A few days later we have to go up to Hamilton in the North Island. We've bought a second-hand car, it's 10 years old. So we'll grab that and show you that, tell you the prices and things. Spend some time with family up there for a few days and then do a road trip. It could take probably a couple of weeks to get back down to Christchurch. So yeah, we'll show you some of the little towns along the way and some New Zealand countryside. So if you're interested in seeing what life's like in New Zealand, little old New Zealand, then hang around. We'll try and make it interesting. We've got some, as I say, maintenance to do on the house, so I might show you some of that. We also plan to set up a business. It's an outdoor business, so it's something we haven't done before, so we may show you some of that. See how we go. We do need some money coming in, for sure. New Zealand isn't a cheap place to live anymore, if it's ever been. Yeah, so that's the plan. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in New Zealand.